Step number one, go get your cell phone and turn it on. Step number two, sit back, click on the play button and watch a quick 30-second video. Step number three, time to get paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards. And how simple is that? Wow! And just like that, you've earned money online. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn up to $6 every 30 seconds just by watching videos from your phone. Now then, I know how hard it can be for some of you to resist spending hours seated on your couch doing nothing. So now it's time for you to get paid to do so. And the good news is that it's super easy and you can do this from anywhere in the world. Now then, if you're looking for a way to make some quick and easy money, then you need look no further. Here is how. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. I'm here to help regular, everyday people like you and me to make money online using simple strategies and tools so you can earn passive income, stop struggling to make ends meet, and ultimately take back more of your time and gain the financial freedom you so deserve. I'm super excited that soon you will be able to invest in your family and the things that are passionate to you. So, before we get into today's video, be sure to like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends and family to help our channel grow. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment below and let us know how you're getting on. So without further ado, let's go right ahead and dive into this great way for you to begin making money online by watching videos for 30 seconds and get paid $6 for each one. So, as you are aware, online video streaming is fast becoming one of the most popular activities on the internet, with platforms such as YouTube, Netflix, and Hulu, where we can watch countless hours of content without having to leave the comfort of our home. I would say there are benefits which comes from watching videos online. And one of the best benefits is making money online. And there are legitimate websites out there that will pay you to watch videos. The amount of money that you can earn whilst watching videos online won't be life changing. However, if you're someone who enjoy watching videos online and don't mind giving a few hours to doing so, then this could be such a great way for you to make that much needed cash as a side hustle. Okay, guys, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is go to a free website called gg2u.org. Sign up for free and start earning money straight away. This website allows you to earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. However, for this video, we are going to focus on watching videos, which is such an easy method, which is something anyone can do without any experience whatsoever. Also, with this website, you are given $1 for free simply by signing up for a free account. You only need to enter your first name, email, username, and password. You will see that unlike other programs, GG2U is available internationally. They're accepting people from all around the world: USA, Canada, UK, Australia, Nigeria, India, and any other country in the world where you can still make money online because it's a worldwide opportunity. After you've entered your correct information, then click to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you click on the orange button to sign up. This is such an amazing website because you have options to choose from when it comes to getting paid. For instance, you can get paid through PayPal, everyday receive Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, even e-gift cards. So if you're coming from a country where you don't have a PayPal account, don't worry, because you can also receive your money through Skrill, Paytm, Gcash, or any other payment options. When you are signed up, you will be taken to a page site with a very high paying source for survey routers and offer wall offers, usually 65 to 85% payout rates, whereas most other sites only give their members 40 to 60%. You can also take advantage of the easy to do gaming and video offers, which gives some of the best payout rates. For every 100 coins you earn, you will receive $1. And when you get to $7, you can request a payout to your PayPal account or Coinbase Bitcoin. And don't forget that e-cards are available for you also. So on to the next page where you can begin earning money straight away, and you can sign in just by clicking on the orange button to continue. Having done so, you will see to get started earning, here are some things that are very easy to do. Also, remember that 100 coins is equivalent to $1, and this offer gives you 550 coins, the equivalent to $5.50. Under that, you will see the next offer is 400 points, which converts to $4. The good thing is that there are so many ways to earn money on this website, and when you take advantage of this by building up multiple streams of income, how good is that? So then, as mentioned before, we're going to pay attention to watching the videos before moving on to the next step. Next step, you will be redirected to your account where you will see the dashboard on GG2U website, and you will get $1 just by signing up for a free account as mentioned before. Remember to cash out your earnings when you receive $6 or more on top of the one free dollar received. Please bear in mind the $7 threshold is to enable you to redeem your earnings. Guys, there are other companies giving different offers for you to take advantage of. For instance, there is freecash.com, and on this site you can earn up to $225 per offer. You have AdGem, the fastest growing monetization program. There is Lootably.com, and there is BitLabs. These are all well-known and reputable companies offering you the opportunity to make money just by doing simple tasks like completing surveys, downloading apps, or watching videos, which is what you're here for. You can, of course, click on any one of the above mentioned companies and start making money straight away. Now then, I'm sure you want to start making money simply by watching videos. Then just go right ahead and click on the autoplay video. Next, you will see that on the autoplay videos that for every 200 video points you earn, you get a silver token allowing you to add $1 to $3 to your account balance so you can start making money. After that, you can choose one of the options such as adventures, movie bars, laughs, etc. For example, go to Hideout TV Chillax, which will take you to a video for you to watch and start earning money. Also, it's best to maximize your earnings by keeping the tab open, allowing the videos to play in the background, And while the videos are playing, you can get on with other things such as studying. I'm about to give you some bonus tips to allow you to earn 3 times more money on the website. Now then, click on the gear settings on your mobile or laptop. So just go ahead and click on the lowest settings, which is 240p, and keep the tab open, and then click on multiple video offers and open them in new tabs. You will then be able to watch them all simultaneously in the background, which will enable you to make triple or even 5 times more money. However, do keep in mind that this will also consume a lot of internet speed and data. So I recommend you choose the lowest playback resolution settings option, hence why I suggest selecting 240p. The good thing is that you can watch these videos on your iPhone or Android phone. Guys, this is such a good opportunity for you to take advantage of, and at absolutely no cost to you, because watching videos for free is such a great way to make money online. So, as mentioned earlier, all you need to do is simply follow a few tips to maximize your earnings. So then, in this video, I showed you how to watch videos on GG2U for the best monetary results and how to maximize your earnings. I also shared some bonus tips to help you make even more money with these websites. Guys, I'm sure you're looking for an easy way to make some extra money, which is why you landed on this video. Then be sure to check them out if you have not already done so. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, like and click the notification bell to get you notified whenever I upload new videos to show you the best way to make money online. So it remains for me to thank you for watching. So let's earn money together while we learn. So that's it for this one. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.